How to see first message sent on Instagram without scrolling. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So let's say you want to go on the first message of your particular person's chat. So in my case, let's say I want to go up all the way up. So this is not a very long, but I'm going to show you all the easy steps. So what you have to do is to open your Play Store. So here what you have to do is to simply search for the scroll app. Once you have searched for it, you can download any one of these, but I will recommend this green one. Simply install it, and the method of doing this is by clicking on the top right corner of your chat screen. So as you can see, this is now downloading. So after downloading, you have to simply open this up. So once you have opened your app, this will take you to the permission section where you have to simply click on this turn on button. And this will take you to the accessibility where you have to simply click on this tap scroll and simply turn this on and allow the app that you have downloaded. So once you are done, you just have to click on the top of your chat and this will take you to the top. So that's how basically you can see first message sent on Instagram without scrolling.